Okay, today we're going to be unboxing the Cana Kit, which is basically a Raspberry Pi 3. I ordered this off of Amazon, as well as a micro SD card from Samsung here, which the Raspberry uses as its hard drive. So the Cana Kit here was about 39 bucks on Amazon. And the Samsung Evo 32 gigabit micro SD card was about $9.99 on Amazon. So I have some links in the description box below where you can pick those up. So basically this kit came in the mail just the other day. I'm going to put this SD card off to the side there. And as you can see, it includes a couple of heat sinks right here. And as well as the main power adapter, the case, and then the motherboard, as well as an instruction booklet. So I'm going to open this bag up and let's take a closer look at what's inside. Okay, first things first, we have our power adapter. This is a 2.5 amp power supply for the Raspberry Pi. You can see here are a few more specs on the exact adapter that this is using. And yeah, pretty simple. It's a micro USB. You can see right there, which will be plugged into the Raspberry, and then this will be plugged into to any socket here on a power strip or in your wall. So there's our power supply. Let's put that off to the side, and let's take a look at the actual case here. Okay, the specific kit that I have came with a clear case. You can also get ones that use a black case, which are pretty cool, but to tell you the truth, I kind of like the idea of seeing what's going on inside my case. So the clear case is what I chose. See, on one side it has these kind of holes punched in it to allow for heat distribution, and then these rubber stands for it to sit up just a hair and allow air to escape out the bottom there. It also has multiple holes for this would be for your HDMI cable. This one is going to be for your power supply, and as well as a couple of openings here that will allow us access to our USB ports and I believe the SD slot as well. So nice cool kind of Raspberry logo on top there. Yeah, so that's our case. Let's put that off to the side, and let's take a look at the two heat sinks that are actually taped down to the motherboard and the rest of the actual Pi here. So you can see there's two small heat sinks, one larger and one really small there, come in this little plastic bag. And then I'm going to go ahead and open up this box, and we'll take a look at what it looks like inside. Okay, inside our little Raspberry Pi box here, we actually had our instruction booklet. Make sure you read these. And so we're going to put that off to the side here. And we also have the main Raspberry Pi now. It comes in this nice enclosed bag for clean and sterile purposes. I'm just going to pull that out, and we can hold it up and check it out. So there you go. That is our Pi. Multiple input output options there. We have our HDMI port. On this side, we're going to have our Ethernet adapter on the left there, as well as 4 USB slots to interface with. And yeah, basically we're going to put our heatsink in over the areas where basically the installation areas are. And then we're going to format it with our SD card, which we have in the package over here. So there you go. Basically, the only other thing that the Cana Kit came with is this quick start guide, which is kind of neat. It basically gives you some really kind of quick instructions as well as where you can go to kind of look for instructional videos. So that is an unboxing and basically a big overview of what comes in the Cana Kit. Again, we got our clear case, we got our heat sinks, we have our AC adapter, we've got again, the Samsung was an additional purchase for additional $10, but we have the main motherboard and Raspberry Pi right here, as well as some instructions. So hopefully that helps you guys out. Again, this is a quick unboxing and kind of first look at what's inside. I'm going to be doing some supplementary videos on actually setting this guy up and how to do that quickly. So stay tuned, check out those other videos, and we'll have some more tips and tricks coming up soon.